Okay. In this video, I'll explain you how to form the partial differential equation from the given relation or equation. In second PU, you studied how to form the ordinary differential equations from the given relation or equation. Suppose if z is equal to f of x comma y is a function of two independent variables. Z is the dependent variable and there are two independent variables x and y. We can differentiate z partially with respect to x and partially with respect to y. An equation containing the partial derivatives is known as partial differential equation. The order and degree of the partial differential equation is same thing as that of the order and degree of the ordinary differential equation. The highest order derivative present in the equation is known as order of the partial differential equation, and the positive integral power to which the highest order derivative is raised is known as the degree of the differential equation. Let f of x comma y comma z comma a comma b equal to 0 be a relation or equation, given relation or equation. In this equation, z is the dependent variable, x and y are the independent variables, a and b are the arbitrary constants. We need to form its partial differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary constants a and b. For that, differentiate given equation partially with respect to x and partially with respect to y. We get del f by del x plus del f by del z into del z by del x is equal to 0 when we differentiated equation 1 partially with respect to x. Similarly, if we differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to y, we get del f by del y plus del f by del z into del z by del y, that's equal to 0. Now eliminate a and b using the equations 1, 2 and 3. After elimination of a and b from 1 to 3, we obtain a relation of the form phi of some function of x comma y comma z comma del z by del x comma del z by del y is equal to 0, which is the required partial differential equation. If the number of arbitrary constants are equal to the number of independent variables, then only through first order partial differentiation we can eliminate the arbitrary constants. Suppose if the number of arbitrary constants exceeds the number of independent variable, then we need to go for second and higher order partial derivatives. Similarly, we can form the partial differential equation by the elimination of arbitrary function. Okay. Suppose if the given relation contains only one arbitrary function, we can form its partial differential equation only through first order partial derivatives. Suppose if it contains two arbitrary function, then we can form its partial differential equation through second order partial derivatives. Okay. Now I'll explain you how to solve the problems. Form partial differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary constants a and b from the relation z is equal to x square plus a into y square plus b. Z is the dependent variable, x and y are the independent variables, a and b are the arbitrary constants. Differentiate equation 1 partial with respect to x. Del z by del x is equal to, while differentiating with respect to x, y is constant. So y square plus b constant, x square differentiation is 2x. Now differentiate equation 1 partial with respect to y. Del z by del y is equal to x square plus a constant, y square plus b differentiation is 2y. Okay. From the second relation, y square plus b is equal to 1 by 2x into del z by del x. From this third relation x square plus a is equal to 1 by 2y into del z by del y. Now substitute x square plus a and y square plus b values into equation 1. It is the form z is equal to 1 by 2y into del z by del y into 1 by 2x into del z by del x, or 1 by 2y into 1 by 2x is 1 by 4xy. On cross multiplication, 4xyz is equal to del z by del x into del z by del y is the required partial differential equation. Now, form PDE by eliminating arbitrary function f from the relation z is equal to f of x square minus y square. Here we need to form partial differential equation by the elimination of arbitrary function f. Call the given equation as 1. Differentiate one partial with respect to x and partial with respect to y. Del z by del x is equal to f dash of x square minus y square into 2x. Similarly, while differentiating with respect to y, del z by del y is equal to f dash of x square minus y square into minus 2y. Okay. Divide equation 2 by 3. Del z by del x by del z by del y is equal to f dash of x square minus y square into 2x divided by f dash of x square minus y square into minus 2y. Here 2 cancelled, f dash of x square minus y square cancelled. On cross multiplication, x into del z by del y is equal to minus y into del z by del x, or else x into del z by del y plus y into del z by del x is equal to 0 is the required partial differential equation. Okay. In this way, we can form the partial differential equation either by the elimination of arbitrary constants or by the elimination of arbitrary function. I hope you understand this, right? Okay. In the next video, I'll show you how to solve the partial differential equations. Okay.